What if we could control the weather? Imagine standing in the middle of a drought-stricken field and commanding rain to fall. Or halting the fury of a hurricane before it makes landfall. The power to control the weather sounds like magic, yet science is inching closer to making this a reality. But at what cost? Scientists and innovators are exploring advanced technologies like cloud seeding and geoengineering, pushing the boundaries of weather modification. However, with such capabilities come questions of ethics, responsibility, and potential consequences. What would this power mean for humanity, the planet, and the natural balance of life? At its core, weather modification involves manipulating atmospheric conditions. Technologies like cloud seeding use chemicals to encourage rain from clouds. Geoengineering, on the other hand, aims to combat climate change by reflecting sunlight or capturing carbon in the atmosphere. These methods show promise. They could alleviate droughts, prevent floods, or reduce dangerous temperatures. However, these processes are complex, expensive, and far from perfect. The atmosphere isn't fully understood, and changing one part of it might cause unintended disruptions elsewhere. Imagine erasing droughts that devastate crops, ensuring food security for millions. Or calming a raging typhoon before it destroys entire communities. With weather control, we could save lives, support economies, and protect the environment from climate-related damage. Beyond problem solving, such technologies could stabilize ecosystems and support regions vulnerable to climate change. Harnessing such a force might seem like humanity conquering nature, but is that really a victory, or just a temporary solution? The benefits are tantalizing, but they hide deeper concerns. If we could control the weather, who should decide when and where it's used? Should one nation be allowed to make it rain while another suffers drought? Such control could easily be used as a weapon, creating a world of imbalanced power and exploitation. Moreover, the environment thrives on balance. Adjusting one aspect of the weather might spiral into unexpected outcomes. Interfering with natural systems could cause more harm than good, triggering unpredictable chain reactions that affect ecosystems, weather elsewhere, and biodiversity. History is rife with humanity misusing technology, and weather control might be no different. The stakes are astronomical. Mismanagement, expedience, or greed could lead to catastrophic outcomes. What if hurricanes were redirected, saving one area but flooding another? Who bears responsibility for the unintended damage? Furthermore, if weather manipulation becomes mainstream, could it deter global efforts to address root causes of problems like climate change? By treating symptoms, would we forget to cure the disease? Striking a balance between intervention and prevention would become incredibly complex. Ultimately, the idea of controlling the weather represents a profound intersection of science, ethics, and humanity's role in nature. Are we stewards of Earth's balance or disruptors of its processes? By controlling the weather, we're forced to ask, what kind of future do we want to create? The question becomes not whether we can achieve this power, but whether we should. As the possibility edges closer to reality, the world must grapple with responsibility, consequences, and fairness. The potential to save and harm rests entirely in human hands. Weather control is no longer just science fiction, it's a looming scientific and ethical frontier. So, what's your stance? Should humanity wield such immense power, or leave nature to its will? Join the conversation about geoengineering and climate solutions. Leave a comment below, share this video, and let's spark a dialogue about balancing technology, ethics, and the planet's future. The storm is coming. How will we face it?